Dr. Brian Thornburg, and today is on epigenetics. I had mentioned this in the wellness video about the purpose of Dr. Thornburg Wellness, and that is that what we do today, how we choose to raise our children, will influence how their DNA is expressed and will ultimately decide whether those positive genes that they have are expressed or they're turned off, and vice versa, the negative genes they have are expressed or are turned off. And this is really important because it's not just what we're doing with our kids, it's what we're doing today will also influence our kids' kids, so us as the parents. So this echoes throughout all of our generations. So that's why we want to spend a little time on epigenetics. So if we have two identical twins, same egg split into two, and they're identical looking babies at birth, but we know as they go through life, they start to look different. Even though they have the same genetics, they have very different phenotypic or physical expressions of that DNA. So they look very different. So even though they grew up in the same house, in the same environment, they have very different experiences. And what we're starting to learn is that those different experiences actually start in the womb. So the experiences that the baby's having inside of the womb, and so we have two eggs inside the womb, they're identical, they split, so they're identical twins, but each of those twins is handling the emotions that the mom's having, handling their experience of their environment inside of the womb, and it's turning on their uncoiling of DNA, or it's tightening it up. It basically throws down these what are called methyl groups, and it marks how that tissue is going to be expressed, or it winds it tighter so it's not exposed, or it releases it so it can be exposed. So all these little things that we're doing are affecting how our DNA is expressed. And of course, we want to be around as grandparents and have a great quality of life. So we want to do all those little things now. That is going to improve whether our genes are expressed in a positive way, and the same thing for our kids and our generations down the road. So remember, epigenetics, it's not about the DNA, it's about what we're doing every day. Thanks, and hit that like button, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.